Hey guys, we are fucking scared. We are fucking scared. And yes, I'm in my pajamas because we're gonna camp outside. We can camp. Can't you see our big ass tent? So yeah, we just moved inside in our trailer, and let's get into this shit. We moved in the trailer. It started storming, so we just moved in here. You guys can see our big ass tent. So hope us luck that we get through the night. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah. So I'll just head there right now for a quick. We're closing everything right now.
Freaking messy in here.
Let's move all our stuff. So yeah, guys. We're gonna sleep on this bed.
No, I am.
No, we all are, cause it's a big bed.
Fine, I'll sleep on the top bunk.
I'm gonna go over there and sleep on the bottom bunk.
Oh yeah, we can all have a look at this.
No, don't put the heater on. Leave it off.
I know.
Alright, so like, comment, share, subscribe. I already said that 2 times, but I'm gonna say it so you guys, if you guys are new to the channel, if you guys are new to the channel, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. If you guys hate us, but I hate. And we'll see you next time. Hope us luck. Bye.